In today's lecture, we are going to study about transistor configurations. We know that we are having three terminals in the transistor. Now, whenever we want to connect a transistor with some external supply source, we always require a four terminal, right? That is two terminals for the input and two terminals for the output. But as transistor is having only three terminals, what we are doing is we are using one terminal as a common terminal to our input and the output terminal. Based on which terminal we are considering as a common terminal, we can have three different configurations, that is common emitter configuration, common base configuration, and common collector configuration. If we talk about common emitter configuration, here in the diagram you can see that your emitter side, your emitter region is common between your input and output side. This is the most commonly used configuration. Here you can see that this emitter region is common between your input and it is common between your output. Here emitter base region will act as an input, whereas collector base region will act, collector emitter region will act as an output. Similarly, if we talk about common base configuration, in which your base terminal will be common between your input and output. You can see over here that emitter base region will be considered as the input side and collector base region will be considered as the output side. And the last configuration, that is your common collector, in which the collector side or the collector region is common between your input and output configuration. So here the base collector junction will be considered as the input, whereas emitter collector junction will be considered as the output. We are going to study in detail about all the three configuration, how all the three configuration works.